From vintage patio finds to revamps like this. Candles, ooh, Chardonnay. And the best part, it's a cozy shopping experience here at Mainly Vintage. This house over 100 years old. Let's see what we can find.
We've hunted our whole lives for vintage items and incorporate them into our homes. And that's kind of what we want our customers to experience, how you can mix vintage, antique with the new.
And make your house yours and unique. And we take dated things and update them, you know, paint them to bring them up to date.
One thing we sell a lot of is furniture, from chairs to dining tables to shelving, wall art.
Yeah.
Unusual items that could be used as wall art.
I love it all.
Chandeliers.
Yeah, I'm a chandelier person. I do love those. So it's a thrill of finding things, you know, and revamping them and updating. We love to style everything. You don't have to have everything matchy-matchy. You can mix it up with unique things. We do have a lot of outdoor items that, you know, are fun for your patios and porches. And
A lot of iron pieces, plant stands.
we love rust. All about the rust.
We are open 7 days a
days.
week. We're open regular hours, 10 to 6, Monday through Saturday, and we did have to extend our Sunday hours from 11 to 4. We've loved this location. It's been fabulous for us, and this home is over 100 years old, so it's very fitting for what we do here.